Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm going to show you how to repair your chest freezer, specifically the overload protector and the starter relay. So this video is for information purposes. Of course, do any repairs at your own risk. If you're not sure, consult an electrician. So this video is for information purposes. So I wanted to show you how to fix your freezer. So I was running into an issue where the freezer, when it worked, the compressor would turn on for a few seconds and then there'd be a click, it turns off. And then the thermostat light indicator would kind of half come on and kind of keep on flickering. So I'll show you a clip of that issue right now. So what I did was I took off this this panel here by removing the screws, and then I had a look in here. So you can see here's the compressor, and this is the thermostat, which I had loosened from the front of the freezer. So I did some troubleshooting. So this thermostat, looking at or watching another YouTube video, actually connected these two wires to bypass it, to see if it was the issue. I'll include the link to that video below. Again, do this only feel comfortable troubleshooting this way. And that did not solve the issue, so I looked around at the compressor, and just for perspective, so this plastic housing was covering these parts, and what I found was that basically there's a lot of corrosion in here. So these quick connectors were quite corroded. Here's one of them here. So I could tell that it really wasn't conducting electricity, given how damaged it was. And even when I removed the connectors, the overload protector, you can see the pin, it was quite corroded. And then the starter relay, it also was quite corroded. So I went online and I found a couple of replacement parts online on eBay. I think it was pretty cheap. I think less than $10, and I can include the link to that below in the video description. I also bought some more quick connector terminals, so I got a whole pack of them, also on eBay for a few bucks. And going to the pack, I found ones that would fit the pins for the new pieces, the overload protector and the starter relay, and it happened to be the red ones here. So I stripped the wires. I used this tool, which is a handy wire stripper, also can be found online on eBay for fairly inexpensive price. So I replaced the quick connectors. I installed the new overload protector and the starter relay. For the starter relay, this is the original one. It came with one pin. Initially I ordered one and it had two pins here. So I actually ordered a second one which just had one pin. Now when you remove the starter relay and the overload protector, you'll see here it's actually 3 small holes, and these align to 3 pins on the compressor. So after I replaced all that and then let it sit so the compressor fluid settled, I turned it back on and it worked. And so I'm quite happy with this repair. It only cost a few bucks, and now the freezer is working great again. So I hope you found this video useful. And remember the importance of trying to repair appliances rather than throwing them out. It helps with saving money as well as helping with the environment. All right, take care guys, bye-bye.